Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a premium upgrade for your daily routine, the Oral-B IO Series 10 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. If you've been using a manual brush or even a basic electric one, this smart toothbrush is going to change the way you think about oral care. The first thing to know is that this isn't just about brushing your teeth, it's about brushing smarter. The IO Series 10 uses advanced micro-vibrating bristles and a magnetic drive system that delivers a powerful yet gentle clean. This technology ensures that every tooth surface gets deep cleaning, while still protecting your gums. One of the standout features is the visible pressure sensor. We all know brushing too hard can cause gum recession and enamel wear. The IO Series 10 takes care of that by showing you real-time feedback: red when you're pressing too hard, green when it's just right. That means healthier gums and a safer brushing experience. Next, the toothbrush comes with 7 cleaning settings, including daily clean, intense, whitening, sensitive, gum care, and more. This lets you fully customize your brushing routine based on your needs, whether you want a whitening boost, a gentle clean, or gum massage. The built-in 2-minute timer ensures you always follow the dentist recommended brushing time. Plus, thanks to its smart display and Bluetooth connectivity, you can pair it with the Oral-B app for personalized feedback, progress tracking, and coaching that helps you improve over time. Battery life is excellent paired with the sleek charging travel case. You'll always be ready on the go. Whether you're at home or traveling, the IO Series 10 keeps you powered and protected. And with 4 replacement toothbrush heads included, you won't need to worry about buying extras right away. The design is another highlight. It looks modern, sleek, and professional, making it not just a tool but a true upgrade to your bathroom setup. If you've been searching for the ultimate electric toothbrush that combines smart features, superior cleaning power, and gum protection, the Oral-B IO Series 10 is a must-have. That's it for today's review. If you're ready to elevate your oral care game, check out the link below to get yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more daily gadget reviews here on Gadgetverse.